Hello everybody. The practice session continues and this is the second exercise. Here is the first question of the second exercise. Identify the forms of the following sentences. So I am going to show you some sentences and then you tell me what are their forms. Are they in the affirmative form or negative form or interrogative form? The first sentence, they are doing their homework. Okay, what is the form of this sentence? Okay, this sentence is in the affirmative form. Okay, how do you know that this is the affirmative and not the negative or the interrogative? This is how you look at the sentence and then the first word is they. They is the subject. Number two, are. Are is the auxiliary verb. And then doing. Doing, the verb to do plus ing. This is the main verb. So of course, this sentence is in the affirmative form. Okay, sentence number two. Is it raining? Okay, what's the form? The form of this sentence, of course, is the interrogative form. Again, how do you know? The first word of this sentence is, which is the auxiliary verb. And then the subject. So of course, this is the interrogative form. And also you have the question mark at the end. Okay, next sentence, number three. I am not watching a soccer match. The form of this sentence is negative form. Okay? The difference between the negative form and the affirmative form is one word. The word not. Okay? You have the subject, auxiliary verb, and then you have not. You see not? This is, of course, the negative form. Next sentence. Jimmy's cousin is cleaning the kitchen. This sentence is in the affirmative form. Number five. Are Emily and Sophia chatting? This is a question, and all questions are in the interrogative form. Number six. The student is answering the questions. This sentence is in the affirmative form. Number seven. Richard is not eating. Richard is not eating. Negative form. Number eight. The doctors are curing the patients. The doctors are curing the patients. Affirmative form. Number nine. My friend and I are reading a nice book. Also affirmative form. Number 10. The last sentence. Is their baby sleeping? This is a question. Interrogative form. Okay, here is the second question of the second exercise. Convert those sentences into the other two forms. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, look here. This is sentence. They are doing their homework. Of course, this is in the affirmative form. You can see the tick, affirmative. So this is, you're going to convert this sentence into the other two forms, into the negative form and interrogative form. Okay, let's begin with the interrogative form. Can you turn this sentence into the interrogative form, into a question? Okay, here it is. Are they doing their homework? That is the interrogative form. Okay, how about the negative form? Here it is. They are not doing their homework. This is the negative form. Okay, next. Is it raining? This sentence is in the interrogative form, okay? Now, what is the affirmative form of this sentence? And how do we do that? How do we convert an interrogative form sentence into the affirmative form? Okay, we switch the positions of the subjects and the auxiliary. Okay, so when we do that, we get this sentence. It is raining. It is raining. Affirmative. Okay, now the negative form. And how do we go from the affirmative form to the negative form? Okay, this is how. We simply add one word, the word not. We place the word not between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. It is raining, affirmative. The negative, it is not raining. That's the negative form. Okay, next sentence. I am not watching a soccer match. Negative form. Okay, what is the interrogative form of this sentence? Am I watching a soccer match? Okay, now the affirmative form. I am watching a soccer match. The next one. Jimmy's cousin is cleaning the kitchen. Affirmative. The interrogative form. Then it is Jimmy's cousin cleaning the kitchen? Okay. Now the negative form. Jimmy's cousin is not cleaning the kitchen. Next sentence. Are Emily and Sophia chatting? This sentence is in the interrogative form. Now here is the affirmative form. We switch the positions of the auxiliary verb and the subject, the whole subject. Okay, then we get Emily and Sophia are chatting. This is the affirmative. Okay, how about the negative form? Emily and Sophia are not chatting. The next one. The student is answering the questions. The student is answering the questions. Affirmative. Now let's turn it into a question. Interrogative form. Is the student answering the questions? Okay. Now the negative form. The student is not answering the questions. The next one. Richard is not eating. Negative form. Okay, now the interrogative form. Is Richard eating? Okay, the answer, yes, affirmative. Richard is eating. Richard is eating. Next sentence. The doctors are curing the patients. Affirmative form. Now let's turn it into a question. Are the doctors curing the patients? Okay, now the answer in the negative form. No, the doctors are not curing the patients. The next sentence. My friend and I are reading a nice book. Question. Are my friend and I reading a nice book? Okay, answer in the negative form. No, my friend and I are not reading a nice book. Okay, this is the last sentence. Is their baby sleeping? Answer in the affirmative. Yes, their baby is sleeping. Okay, or no. The answer in the negative form. No, their baby is not sleeping. Okay, that's it.